Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up one of these gas cookers. Now they are quite simple to set up once you know what you're doing. First thing to do is to get one of your gas bottles. Now usually it doesn't matter what brand you use, but they have to have the little slot up here, which you'll see in the little cartridge container. It has this little notch bit here. So this is where that little slot goes. So as long as it's got that, you'll be able to use this gas inside your cooker. So first thing you do is, as you saw, it had a little lid on it. If you take your lid off the top and then you align the slot with this little notch here, just like that, make sure that goes in, and as long as this little part here is in the slot, as you can see, then that's all lined, ready to go. Now you just close over your hatch. Now first thing to do to get it started is to lower this lever. This will lock the gas cylinder into place. And then what you need to do is to turn this knob here, and that will ignite your burner. So as long as you've twisted that all the way to the bottom and you hear click, that's ignited the burner, which means that it's got the gas going. If it doesn't do that, it's likely faulty, because all of these will have a gas igniter built into them. And then you just need to get your pot of water or your stove or cooking equipment that you're going to use, and you're all ready to go. So it's as simple as that to set up one of these gas cookers, and thanks for watching.